In this short tutorial, I will show you how to remove the message button on Facebook. The message button allows other users to send you messages, but if you prefer not to receive messages from strangers or anyone at all, you can easily turn off this feature. To get started, open up the Messenger app and then tap on these three lines at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right. And then tap Privacy and Safety. Once you are on this page, scroll down a bit, and you'll see a section called Who Can Reach You, and in that section, you'll see an option called Message Delivery. Just tap on it. And then tap where it says Friends of Friends on Facebook. And then tap and select the Don't Receive Requests option. Tap Update Settings to confirm it. Now only your friends can message you, and no one else can. If you don't want to receive messages from a specific friend, you can just unfriend them, and they won't bother you again. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.